Welcome to Autoscaled, where you can save hours generating presentations automatically from your data sources. First, connect your favorite data source in one click and navigate to the quick generate flow. Now simply prompt the data source you want to use and for which records you want to generate presentations. Our agentic AI will start working for you. Once we identify the right records, it's time for you to let us know which template you want to use. Select a PowerPoint or Google Slides template with placeholders where you want to populate the data. Our agentic AI will connect your data to the placeholders, and you can still do edits before confirming the mapping. Now you can decide when to run the presentations workflow, trigger them when data changes in your data source, set a recurring schedule, or personalize all presentations instantly. And that's it. All you need to do is confirm your workflow, and we will generate your personalized presentations from your data, which you can access in the Presentations tab. You can keep data in your decks fresh by updating it at scale, or rename all decks in bulk across your drive. And of course, you can download all presentations in your favorite format. Autoscaled has extensive team capabilities, allowing you to share all of your work with colleagues, including workflows, and automatic and secure options to share presentations directly with clients. Lastly, there are built-in features to measure client engagement with your presentations, so you can follow up when it matters the most. Learn more about Autoscaled and how your team can personalize content at scale while saving time on our YouTube channel or at autoscaled.com.